Are you 80 years old yet? I doubt it.
I doubt it too.
But when you are 80 years old,
80
you're not
years
going to
old.
remember when you're 14.
That's right.
So you need to make sure and buy a video from us for this week.
That's right.
It's got all the stuff that happened,
The
all
stuff.
the daily videos,
The dailies.
some of the news stuff,
The news.
some of the band stuff,
The band.
some of you in it.
You.
It's gonna be great.
Great.
It's only $10.
$10.
You gotta buy it here.
Buy it here.
And then when you're 80,
80.
you can remember what it was like.
What it was like.
When you were 14.
14.
Okay?
Okay.
It's a better deal than everything else you've ever thought of.
It's better than his shoes.
$10 and their big shoes are bigger than his face. So, you need to make sure to buy a video because it's cheap. It's cheaper than buying 5 boxes of cereal or anything else that's more than $10.
And it's cheaper than memory implants.
Right. So make sure you come buy a video.